Hi everyone, my name is Mahmoud Sheikh, and in today's video I'm going to discuss about writing a C program for interchanging or swapping the values of two variables using third variable. So before coming to today's topic, I just want to tell you guys that if you guys like this video, click on like button, share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and if you guys have any questions, then let me know in the comment section. Now let us start our discussion on this topic of writing a C program for swapping the values of two variables using the third variable. Okay, so now let me just first write the output of this program so that with the output we can have a little bit of understanding about this program. Output. Okay. When this program gets executed, it asks the user to enter two values. Then user will enter a number 10. Then again it asks second message. Then user enters 20. Now, after accepting values from the user, I want the user to display the values of both the variables before swapping and after swapping. Before swap, A equals to 10, B equals to 20. After swap, A is equals to 10, A equals to 20 and B is equals to 10. Okay. I want the values of these two variables to be interchanged. So how we can write this program? So just by looking at this program, we have come to know that this program requires us to declare two variables of type integer. Okay, suppose this is first variable A of type integer, and this is another variable of type integer again, which is B. Okay, so the value of 10 gets stored inside A and the value of 20 will get stored inside B. Now we require one more variable, which is the temp variable, and we use this variable to swap the values from A to B and then B to A. So now let us first start writing down this program. As we guys already know that every C program starts with preprocessor directives followed by the main section. Okay, I have already explained everything regarding this preprocessor directives and main function in the first video of this tutorial series. If you guys have not seen that video, just watch that video as well, because in that first video I have explained many basic and fundamental concepts of C programming. So now let us start including stdio.h header file and #include conio.h. Then we will start main function, open curly braces. Then I will use clear screen function to clear the output of previous execution, and now I need to declare the variables. As you guys already know that I'm using three variables in this program, which is A, B and T. A, B, T. Okay, so three of these variables are of type integer. Now I need to display this message to the user. Printf enter first number. Then user will enter the value 10, and I need to read that value from the keyboard. So to read the value from the keyboard, we have an input function scanf %d %a. Similarly, I need to write the printf and scanf functions to accept the second number from the user. Printf enter second number, and then scanf %d comma %b. Okay. Now I need to print these values which I have stored inside variable A and B. Okay, so now till here we have written the code for this output. Now I need to write the code to interchange the values of A and B. So how we can interchange the values of A and B using the third variable T. Okay, so now let me just show you here. So here I have a temporary variable T which I have used to interchange the values from A to B and B to A. So what I will do is, first I will pass the value of A to T. T equals to A. That means whatever was the value of A, which is 10, now I have passed that value to T. Now T variable hold the value of 10. Then what I will do is, I will pass the value of B, which is 20, to A. Okay. Now T has the value of 10 and A has the value of 20. Okay. Next, what I will do is, I will pass the value of T to B. Okay. So what is the value stored inside T? 10. And that 10 gets passed to B. Now B will have the value of 10. So now you can see, with the help of this variable T, we have interchanged or swapped the values of A and B. Now we have 20 stored in A and 10 in B. So with this approach, we have successfully managed to swap the values of A and B. So now let me just do here. Temp equals to, or T equals to A, then A equals to B, B equals to T. Now I just need to write the output after interchange. Okay. Printf A, printf B equals to %d/n B, and now at the end we will write a return 0 and flower bracket closed. So if you want to write a program to swap the values of two variables using the third variable, then you should use this logic. Okay, so that's all for this video, guys. If you guys like this video, click on like button, share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and if you guys have any questions, then let me know in the comment section. And thanks for watching.